Hi there. If you've been battling mild acne, frustrated by harsh chemicals, or just curious about natural options, you're in the right place.
Today we'll share evidence-based natural topical remedies for acne.
And we'll explain how they work, how to use them safely, and what to expect.
And to make it easy to follow, we're going to tell you about Alex, who wanted a gentler approach to skincare.
But do natural remedies actually work?
And are they safe? Let's find out.
Chapter 1. Top Natural Topical Combination Remedies. Now let's talk about natural topical combinations that research shows may help.
1. Tea tree oil, aloe vera, and propolis.
Alex started using a mix of tea tree oil, aloe vera, and propolis. Why? Because each ingredient brings something special.
Tea tree oil fights acne-causing bacteria.
Aloe vera soothes irritation.
And propolis, yes, the stuff bees make, reduces inflammation and helps healing.
In fact, a 2018 clinical study found that a cream with 3% tea tree oil, 10% aloe vera, and 20% propolis worked just as well as a prescription antibiotic cream for mild acne.
Pretty impressive, right?
Here's how Alex used it. We mixed a few drops of tea tree oil with aloe vera gel and added a dab of propolis cream. He applied it to clean skin once or twice a day.
2. Green tea extract.
Next, green tea extract. Green tea isn't just for drinking. It's packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and fight bacteria on the skin.
How to use it.
You can steep green tea, let it cool, and apply it with a cotton ball. Or look for a lotion with green tea extract.
Side effect? It's rare, but sometimes it can dry the skin a little.
3. Witch hazel.
Witch hazel is a natural astringent. It helps reduce oil and inflammation.
To use it, apply a small amount with a cotton pad after cleansing, like a toner, but don't overdo it. It can dry out your skin if you use too much.
4. Jojoba oil.
Jojoba oil is unique because it closely mimics the oil your skin naturally makes. It can help balance sebum production without clogging pores.
To use it, just apply a few drops to clean skin. It's generally safe, but always patch test before using new oils.
Chapter 2. DIY Recipe Soothing Acne Serum. Alex also tried making a gentle serum at home.
Here's the recipe we used. 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, 2 drops tea tree oil, 5% diluted, 1 teaspoon witch hazel, and 1 teaspoon jojoba oil. Mix everything in a clean bottle.
After washing face, apply a small amount to acne-prone areas.
Chapter 3. Alex's results.
Now, let's check in on Alex. After using this natural routine for 4 weeks, he noticed fewer breakouts, less redness, and calmer skin.
But here's the thing. Results vary from person to person. Natural remedies can be helpful, but they're not a guaranteed cure. And they work best for mild acne, not severe or painful acne.
Chapter 4. When to see a doctor.
Finally, if your acne is severe, painful, leaves scars, or doesn't improve after several weeks of home care, please see a dermatologist.
Sometimes prescription treatments are needed to prevent scarring or deeper inflammation.
If you've tried any of these remedies or plan to, tell me in the comments.
I'd love to hear what's worked for you. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button for more evidence-based health tips, backed by science and made simple.
Thanks for watching. Take care of your skin and see you in the next video.